What's up, guys? I got it here, $1,000 mystery box. I got it in a fun mail. It's a bunch of survival gear from Rhino Rescue. So let's see what they send me. Might have to get up. Nice packaging. This is cool. There's a logo, Rhino Rescue. Looks like this is some kind of backpack. Let's see. Beautiful packaging. Oh, no way, this is like armor. That is so cool. I'll have to put this on to see what it looks like. Time to figure out how to adjust this and how this works. Okay, you just slide it to the side. That's cool. So you pull and slide like that. Boom. That is cool. So if you need to open this, just pull on that and slide. That's it. So that's kind of cool and easy. I'm really big. Definitely have to adjust it. Let's keep on going. Wow. Okay, Ziploc bag. You see the logo right here? No way. What is this? First aid manual. Beautiful. So this right here is a first aid kit. Okay, let's see what's inside. Have to do its own like a review later. No way, check this out. You have like everything you need, and it's not some cheap stuff in here. Look at that. This is high quality tools, high quality equipment. Check this out. What else is in here? This is like when you break a splint, there you go. A whole bunch of tools. This is definitely very impressive. Oh my gosh. Check this out. There's another piece for all of your ointments and band-aids. This is so good. Dry burn dressing. Honestly, this is very impressive. I have bought so many survival kits. I'm mostly impressed by far how amazing that one is. Obviously, you can also like how this side here tightened it up so everything stays together. Okay, there's another like a vest, but this one is different color. I love it. You know what? Very impressive. This easy to take off and put it on. That's so cool. And there's a Velcro. So this is just a foam. You have to buy the legit stuff separately. Same thing as a black one, but camo. More survival stuff. This goes into my survival pile. I cannot get enough of this. You always want to be ready. You never know. Okay, let's open up something big again. Whoa, this one is camo. Don't tell me this is a first aid kit, but in camo. Which one do you like better, camo, or do you like the black better? I mean, depends on the situation. I think it's really cool. Beautiful. So just different. Wow, so impressive. This is legit stuff right here. Looks really professional. I love mystery boxes because you have no idea what's inside of them and you don't expect much and you get really surprised. Look at that packaging. Love it. Okay, what is this? Ooh, look at that. This is EDC drop bag. Rhino Rescue. And you open it this way and this way, and there's a Velcro. Whoa, this is the best one I've seen by far. Look, same thing. First aid kit. Ooh, it's detachable, but it stays on a rope. That is interesting. And all your other stuff in here. Wow, look at that. Definitely have to get some training on that kind of stuff. Okay, Zip this up. I really enjoy their pouches as well. You see how you can open it and get stuff like this. And there's a Velcro. Beautiful. Survival kits, you never know when you need them. Definitely staying with me here forever. What is this? This is another one, but caramel. Man, 3 choices. How do you choose? I think I like this one the most out of all of them. You see? This is a nice, beautiful patch. You can put other patches on it. And you can hook up a whole bunch of other things onto here. You see? And same thing. Look at that. It's amazing. Wow. The baggie by itself is worth buying this for. Look at that. You just lock it in. You can fill it up with even more stuff. And then you can tighten it up so it's kind of packs away together. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh, something new. This is straight up bag with the different stuff. Chest seal. Wow, that's incredible. So I guess like a survival kit in a plastic bag. Components. Combat tape. This is like high quality combat stuff, looks like. There is another. Wow, emergency bandage. That is insane. I never seen anything like that. I don't even know what this is, but good to have. Wow. Definitely have to read through the manual. The splint is really good to figure out how to even use some of that stuff. Wow, look at that one. Tourniquet kit, is that what it is? Beautiful. There's a pen. Chest seal. There's instructions right here. Clairvoyant. I don't even know what this is. Never heard of it. Emergency blanket. You know, I didn't even know you could buy this kind of stuff. Anytime I get like a emergency kit, survival kit, it's just a simple like band-aids and I don't know, like tape and just cheap scissors. This is all high quality combat stuff. Incredible. So yeah, definitely go check it out if you're interested into this kind of stuff. I recommend. I'm definitely impressed. I've never seen anything like that. You see, you can buy components of some kind of band-aid. Yeah, band-aids. So lucky. Huge thanks to Rhino Rescue for sending me so much gear. There's another one, different color. Beautiful. That's the logo. There's another pack of this stuff. Yeah, they don't go bad, so might as well keep them. Never know. Better be prepared. And there's a black one. Let me show you guys what the black one looks like. Nice. Beautiful. More. What is this? Yeah, this is the best survival kits. Okay, this is a different one. You can hook it up to something in the back of your car. Ooh, this is high quality Velcro. You see it? Right away, there's a couple of band-aids, tapes, pulls up in here, scissors, and again, tourniquet kit, and a whole bunch of stuff we just saw. It's just a different way to organize it. Maybe this one I think would be perfect for like a car. You see, you put it in and Velcro it. Okay, what else we have? Okay, same thing but in black. Nice. Very beautiful. Compact, lots of stuff. My wife loves survival kits too, so this is going to be nice. Okay, there's more tourniquet kits. Definitely very important to learn how to use them. More band-aids and stuff. Awesome. And I think the rest is going to be more band-aids, tourniquet kits. Amazing. Well guys, in conclusion, I'm gonna put everything back in here. I was very impressed by these survival kits and this little chest vests that you can put in like armor in there. It's too good to have things like that. I actually don't have one, and I have a lot of survival kits. This is definitely on the other level. You cannot get it any better. This is advanced for like a field. It's not for just a simple, like, you know, cheap stuff in there. It's a high quality survival kits. Definitely good idea to actually read through the instruction and learn a lot about some of those components. But yeah, I love it. Definitely recommend check out the Rhino Rescue. I'll put links in description. Huge thanks to the company for sending me a lot of stuff. It's over $1,000 here, but as you can see, there's a lot of little things here too. So yeah, amazing.